Hey, welcome to our science videos, cycle 2. This is week 1. We have 2 experiments this week. Both are done outside. So if it's a rainy, cloudy day, then we'll switch them with week 2 and hope for a rainy day the next week. 2 experiments this week are number 2, shaded, and number 17, the same place. This first 6 weeks, we're talking about astronomy, which is super fun. So planet stuff, satellite stuff, things about the sun, all of that. Big things, always refer back to your notebook. So the 2 big things you want to be sure to discuss are, 1, the questions about wonder. What do the kids already know about this? What do they see during the experiment? What questions come up when they see this now? What's it remind them of? Have they ever seen something like this before? Spaceships take off, or seen pictures from satellites, so forth like that. The other thing you always want to emphasize is a scientific method. If you have extra time in your class, that's something you can always come back to, scientific method. I tended to try to look ahead and kind of fill in those thoughts, because the Van Cleves doesn't always ask a question. And so the number 1 part of our scientific method is question, then research, then hypothesis, experiment, analysis, and conclusion. So number 2, shaded. In your bag for science, you'll have 2 thermometers. You want to first look at them and make sure they start out at the same temperature. Mine both say it's 102 degrees out here right now, so it's hot. So if I'm sweating, that's why. Then you're going to put 1 thermometer in the shade, 1 in the sun. You're going to set your timer. I have a mom set a timer for 20 minutes while you're doing the other experiment. So this one comes first. And then you'll come back after 20 minutes. You'll read what it is in the sun. If you're the older kids, they could bring out a sheet of paper and collect that data. Then go to the shaded one, read what it is, and then discuss why they think they're different. When they're both outside, they're both in this really hot weather, why does shade make it a little bit cooler? So once you've laid your thermometers, you'll come to an open area. This next one actually takes more space than I really realized till we tried it ourselves. And you're going to do number 17, the same place. This is about satellites. So in this experiment, Luke is going to be my sun, sunshine. Gabe is the Earth, and I am a satellite. All right, come on up here. So you see demonstrated there, the satellite, even though I had longer legs, I still had to walk a lot faster to go the same speed or same place as the Earth. So it looks like I never move. If I was on Earth looking at a satellite, it looks like it stays in the same place, but it's actually rotating even faster than the Earth does. Again, look at your Van Cleves, look at Napoleon as your reference, and to expand on those ideas. For that one, you could have each of the kids play a different part while you're waiting your 20 minutes until the thermometers come back. And just initiate discussion. They don't need to write it all out. They don't need to make a big deal. Just discuss, wonder, have fun with it. All right, see you next week. Bye.